Hi friends, my name is Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. I've been working in jewelry industry since 20 years. I've worked in manufacturing, wholesaling and retail sector. So friends, I have made a jewelry video series. I'll be taking every topic at a time and I'll be discussing over every topic in detail. After watching these videos, you'll be in a better position to buy jewelry and understand what is jewelry and all the aspects of jewelry. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your valuable time. Do subscribe to my channel. Do like my videos and share them. Thank you so much.
So in this video, we're going to talk about how to clean your jewelry. Most of the customers, when I asked them, have you cleaned your jewelry ever? They said never. Since you wear your clothes daily and you wash them daily, but the jewelry that you're wearing daily, you never wash them. But it does need them. Your jewelry needs some care. So in this video, I'm going to showcase a simple process to clean your jewelry at home. That too with your home products. So for cleaning, you need a liquid kitchen dishwasher, or in place of that, you can also use a detergent. Then you need a toothbrush, which is of medium hardness. You need boiled water, and you need obviously 15-20 minutes. So we'll begin first by boiling the water. So this is all you need: a kettle for warming up water, a bottle of water, liquid detergent, toothbrush, a bowl, and obviously jewelry. So we'll begin by boiling the water first. So after the water is boiled, we'll pour it in the bowl like this. You see the steam coming out. So now you will pour some liquid detergent in this water. I hope you can see a lot of wax, cream and glycerin on this ring typically. It has been 15 minutes now, so we will take out the jewelry one by one. And we need a gem cloth with us. So after 15 minutes, we'll take out one by one and we'll use a toothbrush to clean it up. Firmly hold your jewelry between the fingers and use toothbrush inside and outside as shown in the video. This is how you have to clean it up one by one. Again soak it in water, and this is how the job is done. So within minutes, your jewelry will start shining up like a new jewelry piece. So you can see how glittery it has become. It's shining. Let's open some light and let diamonds do the dance. So similarly, we'll follow the procedure for all the pieces. See the diamonds doing the dance of glitter. So you have to take a gem cloth and wipe all the pieces properly like this. So once you wipe the liquid soap water, see how the ring is shining now. So this is the magic, and you can do it anytime you want. As simple as that. So these are some facts. You should always hold your jewelry with very gentle hands. You can use gloves while washing. You can use mild detergent also in case you don't have a liquid detergent, liquid soap in your house. You have to use gem cloth or cotton cloth for wiping. The gem cloth you can find it in any tool shop, any jewelry tool shop basically. Or you can use a cotton handkerchief, a cotton cloth, a little thicker. It should be a little thicker. Always mind water temperature while you're putting hands in it. So these are some do's that you should remember. And these are some don'ts that you should remember the most. So you should never put any color stone strings. If you have a pendant which is attached to a color stone string, you should never put that. You should always put the pendant only. Don't soak for more than 15 minutes. It's not required. 10-12 minutes is fine. 15 minutes is just perfectly fine. So not more than 15 minutes. You should never clean your jewelry over an open drain, because I have heard people, they were washing their ring in the drain and it went down below the sink, and they got really in trouble to find it out. Then obviously you should never leave your jewelry unattended, since it's just 15 minutes job. So please sit over there and complete the job until the cleaning is finished. And never use cotton to wipe. People use cotton, normal cotton. You should not use normal cotton. Cloth is fine. So you should remember all these things. Obviously, I'll suggest these kind of jewelries. You can easily wash it at your home. Any kind of gold jewelry, gold coins, diamond jewelry, stone jewelry, and of course silver jewelry as well. But there are some exceptions to some of them. So you should never do it on kundan jewelry. This process, this heating of water, boiled water don't use it on kundan jewelry or jewelry which has any polki or which has stones, like jadao jewelry which has stones in it, pearls and corals and things like that. Any jewelry which has lakh in it. Usually people use lakh for bangles, so you should not boil them out because lakh will come out. And never ever for pearl and coral jewelry as well. So jewelry which is having any kind of pearls or corals are not suggestible. Or also any jewelry which has some meenakari on it, meena work on it, or any colors on it. You should never do this process for them. Apart from these, any other stones are just fine with boiling water. They don't have any problems. Only these two stones have problems, which are pearl and coral, as I told you. Otherwise, all of the jewelry is fine. Similarly goes for silver as well. If there is any kundan work or jadao work in silver, you should avoid using that silver in this process. That's it, friends. I suggest that you should go to your jeweler once in a while for a jewelry check, because that will keep your jewelry fit and fine, and you can use it for generations, because jewelry is made for generations. That's it, my friends. I hope you must have liked this video. I am Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. If you like the information in this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. I'll be sharing more on the similar topics like how to store your jewelry or how to wear your jewelry. So keep following us. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you once again.